Welcome to day 5. Well done. We are already moving quite along. Very good. I'm very impressed about that. And just keep on doing your challenges here every day. If you missed one challenge, no problem. Just go back and do it as soon as you can. It will help you all along. It's helping you to become better in this whole idea of going live. Now, the next challenge that we have is that you should go live in the group, and remember to put hashtag Lida and day number 5. How would you define success? And it could be success in your personal life, or it can be success in your business. And also, what has been the most successful moment in your life? Think about that. And what are the things that are most important to you? Because those are things you can also share with other people. So that's the challenge of day 5. So, and just let me know any questions that you have. I'm happy to help, and I'll be reading and going through those posts that you make. So I'll be happy to pass on some tips and also some suggestions for you. So we'll see you tomorrow again.